Curious about the exact process when you choose Pay Later with Klarna? In this video, I'll walk you through the entire journey, from checkout to final payment. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Understanding the steps demystifies the process and helps you shop with confidence. Here's the simple, step-by-step flow. Step 1. Shop and checkout. Add items to your cart on a supported retailer's site and proceed to checkout. Step 2. Select Klarna. Choose Klarna as your payment method. You'll see the Pay in 4 or financing options. Step 3. Quick approval. Klarna performs a soft credit check, which doesn't affect your score, and approves you almost instantly. Step 4. Make your first payment. You pay the first of 4 equal installments at checkout. The retailer then gets paid in full and ships your order. Step 5. Automatic payments. The remaining 3 payments are automatically charged to your linked card every 2 weeks. A crucial pro tip: the entire process is designed for one-time purchases. If you make a return, Klarna will pause your remaining payments and issue a refund for the amount you've already paid, directly to your original payment method. And just like that, you're a Klarna Pay Later expert. Knowing the steps ensures you know exactly what to expect. Was the Klarna checkout process easy or confusing the first time you used it? Tell us about your experience. To manage your plan, watch our next video on how to manage your Klarna Pay in 3 plan. Thanks for watching.